Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into how to insert a values into the table. Already we covered how to create a table. Here we can see this is the empty table. Here we are going to be insert a value in two ways. The first one, you can insert a values directly how to provide the data. This is the one way. The second one is you can mention both column name and as well as the values. Here you have to follow the values order same as a column name order which is mentioned in the table. For example, here what is the order of the column name? Emp ID, emp name, emp salary, correct? The same order you have to mention the values also. Okay. So insert into where you are going to be into inside the table. What is the table name? Employee. So what is things you are going to be insert? Values. Here you have to mention values. So here you can listen carefully. Inside the value, what are the format you have to give? So go to the table. You can read carefully this data type. You can observe the data type. For emp ID, I mentioned number. If it is number format, you no need to mention any quotes. If it is varchar, you have to provide inside single quotes. Got it? Look like string and integer format. Okay. So here, what is the emp ID? This is the number format. So no need to mention any quotes. So directly you can put number format, which is 1001. Next, emp name. So emp name we have to given as a data type is var character. Put a single quotes. NATASA take. The third one is salary. So this is the number, correct? You can give 10,000. Okay, this is the order format you have to provide the value. So which is column order. Fine. Now I am going to be execute this query. Select this one line because here you can find two command, right? You have to which command you are going to be execute. You have to select that command. Select this one, execute. One row is inserted, correct? This is the one. Let me execute once again. One row inserted. Okay, so let's check whether the data has inserted or not. This is the table we have seen. If you want to see the table, you have to execute this query, which is select star from employee. Execute this one. Here you can see 2 row has added because I executed 2 times. If you are execute third time also, if I execute third time, another row has inserted. Let me check 3 row. How many times you have to execute that insert query? That same number of times it's going to be update the data inside the table. Fine. The second one is you have to mention both column name and as well as the value. How we can do that? Here you have to follow the same order, which is the values, and values you have to mention as a same order of the column names. What we have to mention in the table. Okay. Insert into employee. Here how to mention the column name. Emp ID, comma, emp name, comma, emp salary. Next you have to mention values. Here you have to put 1002. Here I can give Ravi and salary have to mention as 20,000. Okay. Now I am going to be execute this query. Let's see. One row has inserted. Let's check. See, 1002 Ravi and 20,000 the salary has added. So this is the way you have to insert the data.